In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not showing my images. First, open a private or incognito window in your browser. You can do this easily by pressing Ctrl and Shift and N if you are on Windows or Command and Shift and N for Mac users. This is important because private or incognito windows do not use your existing browsing data. This means no caches, cookies, or browsing history will interfere with Canva's loading process. When you do this, you will see a new window open that looks a bit different from your usual browser. It provides a clean slate for testing if the issue with your images persists. Once that is done, log into your Canva account and check if your images load normally. This step helps you determine whether the problem lies in your browser's settings or if it is related to your Canva account itself. You should see your dashboard as usual, and hopefully the images will appear without any issues. If they do, you are on the right track. If not, don't worry. We have more steps to troubleshoot this. Next up, if the private window works perfectly, it's time to disable any extensions you might have. Aggressive ad blockers, pop-up stoppers, or privacy tools like uBlock Origin or Privacy Badger frequently block Canva's media delivery scripts. Disabling these extensions can help restore the functionality of Canva. You can usually find your extensions in the browser's settings menu. It's a quick fix that could save you a lot of time and frustration later on. After that, let's perform a hard refresh on the web page. This is done by holding down Ctrl and F5 on Windows or Command and Shift and R on Mac. A hard refresh forces the browser to bypass the standard memory cache, fetching the latest version of the web page and its assets. Doing this can often resolve loading issues, ensuring that you are not seeing outdated information. You should notice the page reload in real time, which is a good sign. Now let's make a copy of your design. Click on File, then make a copy from the inner menu. This generates a clean duplicated canvas layout that forces Canva's cloud server to pull fresh asset previews. Making a copy can help eliminate any temporary issues with the original file. It's an effective way to ensure that you're working with the most up-to-date version of your design, and it often resolves display problems. Next, clear your browser's cache. This step helps purge corrupted thumbnail images from your storage drive, which can interfere with loading your designs. In Google Chrome, you can navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Ensure that you choose Cached Images and Files. This process might take a moment, but it's essential for ensuring that your browser is not using old data that could cause issues. Finally, turn on hardware acceleration inside your browser's system preferences. This step is particularly useful if your uploaded images appear as entirely flat black or white squares. Hardware acceleration allows your browser to use your computer's hardware for processing, which can improve performance. You should find this option in the Settings menu under Advanced Features. Enabling it can greatly enhance your visual experience on Canva and help solve the image display problem. With these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing the issue of Canva not showing your images. If you follow these instructions, you'll ensure a smoother experience while working on your designs.